Hello everyone, welcome to episode 6 of Senior Tech. Today we're going to cover a few things. We're going to cover copy and paste, and we're also going to show you some options when you find things on the internet that you want to save using copy and paste, or save as, or saving something. So let's go right to our browser here. And like always, we're in Google Chrome, which is our favorite. And I am going to do a search for Venice, Florida, which is where we're located here. And let's do a search there. So here's a search. Let's go to the City of Venice website. And let's look at events. And for example, here is some information that I might want to keep. So what I do is I bring my mouse over until I see this little line turn from the arrow to the line. At that point, I hold the button down, my left button, and drag it over what I want to save. I let go now. Yep. Now that is highlighted. To copy it, I just right click on it. I go to copy. Now that is in what's called my clipboard. All that means is the last thing that I copied, which I want to put somewhere, when I want to put it somewhere, when I hit paste, it's going to paste the last thing that I copied. So I'm going to just start typing Word here, and I'm going to use Microsoft Office Word. There it is. Now if I right click on the open space and hit paste, it pastes exactly what I copied from that website. I mean, you could do it for a long piece of text, for example, if there's something you want to read later or you're not going to be online, but you still want access to it, you can do this. Let me close out of this. Let's go back here by hitting this little back arrow in my browser. It takes me back to where I was. I'm back on my searches. Let's say I want pictures of Venice, Florida. Here in the Google search, as we pointed out, you can choose what you want to see. So I want to look at images. So I click on that once. I can refine my search here even further. For example, if I go to downtown, this is the downtown of our beautiful little Venice, Florida. Let's say this picture here I want. If I click on it, here it is. There's the picture that I want to save. If I right click on that picture, it gives me options here. One that I use a lot is Save Image As. If I click on that once, it is going to give me the option to save it somewhere. You can choose here where you want to save it to. You can save it to your documents, your pictures. You can take it into downloads. I like to save things to my desktop because then I can find them easily, and then I can move them into whatever folder I want from there. And we've shown you that before in previous videos, how to do that. But let's do desktop. It's a common photo file, which is a JPEG, which is great. So I am going to save it. Now let's minimize this window so I can see my desktop. This little minus sign here, if I click on it, minimizes the window to my bottom tray. And here is that image that I saved. If I double click on it, there it is. Let me show you another option with pictures. At this point here, I can right click on it again and I can copy the image. Now I have it on the clipboard. So it's going to be the next thing that comes up if I hit paste. So let me open up Word again. If I right click on an open spot and hit paste, it's going to insert that image right in this document. And then I can go on to use this as any regular word processor. And I can type something here. I can use it as part of a presentation or a story. So there's a lot of things you can do. We're going to have a class that specifically deals with word processors such as Microsoft Word. And we're also going to give you some options as to some free word processors that are out there that are really good. So let's close out of this. It's asking me if I want to save it. I'm going to say no. If I hit the back arrow, go back to our search. Let me see if for example, here's a long piece of text. If I put my mouse here, when the little line appears and I hold the button down, I can highlight all this. Again, I right click on it. I can copy it. Now it's on my clipboard. Let me go back to Microsoft Word here. I just click on it. This is where that Cortana feature that we've shown in previous videos is really great, because it'll find what you're looking for very quickly. Now I copied all that text. I want to show you another option here where you can actually hit the paste button here without right clicking, and it pasted everything that I copied from that web situation there. But here it gives you other options. For now, I suggest that you just click on the main button up here, and that's the easy way to paste. So let's close out of this. No, I don't want to save it. Sometimes you'll come across some long things that you want to copy. Again, you can copy as big or as small an area that you want. Let's go to the galleries here. Have a great photo gallery on this. Hey, this one has a whole group of photo galleries. If I click on it and bring it up, again I can right click on it, copy the image, or I can save the image as, like we've just demonstrated. So it makes going to the web a lot more fun, because when you find things that you want to use or keep, they're there. Let me clean up my desktop. Good opportunity to show you how to do that again. If I put my mouse down here, hold the button down, I can drag it over these two images. I don't want to save them, so I just go again, hold my button down, I can drag it around. If I put it over the recycle bin, you see the little sign pops up, move to recycle bin. If I let it go, it goes to the recycle bin. I just cleaned up my desktop. If you're working on a long project, we've shown you how to keep yourself organized, and you're getting several different photographs and things like that and text from the web. You can always create a folder on your desktop to hold things. A little review on that, we covered it before, but here's how you do it. Right click on an empty area, go to the word new, go to folder, click on it once, and it creates a folder for you where you can put things. If you're researching a project or getting a lot of things together, you can just put them there from the web and have your project. Okay, let's get rid of this too. I just take it and drag it onto here, let it go, and it's gone. Have garbage in my recycle bin. Once in a while, good thing to do is empty your garbage. Go to the recycle bin, right click, go to empty recycle bin, click once. It asks you if you want to get rid of the 3 items. I tell it yes, and my recycle bin is cleaned up. Well, I thank you for watching. Please keep an eye out for our next episode. If you enjoyed this video, please click and like the video for us. It's a big help for us to stay ranked on YouTube. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and visit us at 2bcomputers.com. You have a link right there on the bottom, and you can go to the Senior Tech section and find easy links to all our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.